Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to use ads label and ads grouping. So basically creating ad label and ads grouping using Google Merchant Center data is a powerful strategy for streamlining and enhancing your Google Dynamic Ads campaign. This approach allows you to tap into the rich product data available in Google Merchant Center to create more focused ad groups and deliver tailored ads to your audience, and it will also help you to improve your campaign's effectiveness and performance. So here you can see in ads label I have written bestseller, and in grouping ads you will see I have written new summer collection. So the question is where to use it. Let's move to our Merchant Center account. Here let me show you. In ads label you will see the bestseller, and in AdWords grouping you will see the new summer collection. Now let's move to ads account. First of all, let me show you the purpose. Basically these two things, ads label and grouping ads, is that when your customer have recently visited your page and you want them to show the product page again, so here we have to use the dynamic remarketing. Google dynamic remarketing for a retail is a advertising technique that allows retailers to show customized products ads to user who have previously interacted with their website or mobile app. There will run a campaign on dynamic remarketing in which we will display our bestseller or new collection. It's all up to you. Then till now you have got the idea that we have to show the ads to our visitor of the products they just landed on to make them purchase those products. Now let's move to our ads account. So here I'm going to make a campaign. I am going to make a sale campaign and it will display over here, and Google will sort it out itself. Let me visit my online store from the front end. I have to add the domain, copy it and paste it over here. Now click on start new. Next you have to select the location and the language. Down there you will see the option of dynamic remarketing. Click on it, enable the option and select the feed. Now we have to select the feed. Now I will apply filter. After applying filter, it will show both label and grouping. So the label and grouping is basically these. Now I want my bestseller retargeting ads or dynamic remarketing ads keep on running. So for this we have to select the label and write bestseller. This will be added in this way. And now you want them to see new summer collection. You have to follow the same process, select grouping and write summer collection. So these are the advantages of using it. If you want to display more products, you can simply do this by using the bulk edit option provided in our app, and you have to use it in the ads accordingly, so that your previous visitor will be able to see this in Google Shopping product page and YouTube, Gmail, and in display page and everywhere. So it is quite powerful feature. You must segmentize the data by concluding the bestseller and then apply the remarketing. It has more chances to convert. So till now I hope you have got the idea how can you use retargeting or dynamic remarketing to display the bestseller or new collections. Every individual have its own approach, but I use it for bestseller. And let me add something, that by using ad labels and ads grouping based on Google Merchant Center data, you can create a more organized and efficient dynamic advertising strategy. This approach ensures that your ads are highly relevant to your target audience, leading to improved click-through rates, conversions, and overall campaign performance. So I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.